Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1971 Mgb Roadster. It's finished in this super handsome color scheme of British racing green, tan interior, factory hardtop, black soft top, 4-speed, wire wheels, luggage rack, so hugely optioned car here. Speedo shows 45,000 miles, and the seller swore up and down those miles are original. When you look at this car's interior, you can tell it's all original upholstery, and it's beautifully well preserved. So I've got a very good feeling to believe the seller on this one. I'm going to take it out for a drive, but while it's in the booth here, we're doing our walk around video. But yeah, super nicely restored cosmetically. This car just came in from Arizona, but beautiful look on this car with this exceptionally rare factory hardtop fitted from the factory. These are lovely hardtops. They've got a solid rear triplex glass. They're lightweight aluminum. They've got plexiglass side windows, and they just fit the car beautifully, and they look great. Looks like the car is ready to hit the racetrack. But yeah, we'll take a walk around on this car. So fresh paint work, very, very good chrome all the way around. New tires fitted, restored wire wheels. All the body moldings you can see here were replaced. Went to a really nice body shop, and they did a great job on body and paint. Excellent panel fit, super well preserved, low mileage car. Let's take a look at the windshield on this one. So this is the original triplex windshield. I can see there the logo. Pretty clean, you know, definitely points to the low mileage of the car. The lower rubber is the original. That's in really good shape. But let's continue taking a little walk around on this one. Great door fit, great hood and trunk fit. I think most of the chrome is original and in excellent shape. But luggage rack, which is really attractive. Factory hardtop, wire wheels, 4-speed. Let's take a look at this car's interior. There's also a black top fitted. It's brand new. You can see in here. What's nice about this car is you can fit the hardtop and soft top together. There's a black top boot. Before we go to the interior, let's take a look in the trunk here. So the trunk is also chock-a-block full of books, the tonneau rails, jack in the bag, tools, black tonneau cover. So really nice, impressive trunk on this car, full of all the correct factory goodies as these cars were delivered with. So here we're looking at original door panels. The top arm bars were recovered. So there's some slight discoloration there, but that's easily corrected. Original seats on this car, so amazingly well preserved. I believe this color is like autumn leaf. Perfect original dashboard. So another item there pointing towards the original 45,000 miles on this car. Really nice carpets, original rubber. As you can see here, the original rubber footwells, footwell mats along the side there, which is correct and original. They've added like a nice additional center console with some instruments and a key start there. Let's take a look around the other side. Yeah, have a look at the still photos, because I believe we've got the top up in the still photos. We just put the factory hardtop on it this morning, so we're doing a walk around here with a factory hardtop. As you can see here, another original door panel, basically a perfect original driver's seat in excellent condition. Another item pointing towards the car's low mileage. Let's take a look in here, see if we can get a speedo read. So 45,640 original miles. And take a look at this car's engine compartment. Engine compartment was just kind of cleaned up a little bit and detailed. So as you can see in here, it's a factory green car. Nice, nice clean painted engine block, new radiator fitted. Back of the hood was nicely painted, you know, correctly. But you can see in here it's an original British racing green car, repainted. So factory green tan. And can't wait to take this out on the road today and give a running report of that. But yeah, there it is. Beautiful, beautiful Mgb Roadster, and finished in this handsome dark British racing green, tan interior, black top, tonneau, top boot, matching green factory hardtop, 4-speed, wire wheels, luggage rack, pretty much loaded up with just about every single option. And this car has been nicely cosmetically restored on a very low mileage example. It's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.